When you finally emerge from the crushing weight of debt, settlement, or even bankruptcy, you are usually greeted by a credit score that has completely fractured. This is the starting point for your recovery. In exactly 6 minutes, you are going to set up a structured, scam-free protocol designed to rebuild your profile toward a 700+ score. You do not need a costly repair agency to do this. You strictly need a computer, your social security number, and 10 minutes of uninterrupted focus to configure these steps today. By the end of this video, you will have the specific technical steps needed to overwrite your credit history and reclaim your financial independence. Step 1 is triage. Navigate strictly to annualcreditreport.com. Ignore the generic search ads. This specific government-mandated site is where you request your official free weekly reports from Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. As you pull these documents, apply the updated 2026 medical rules. Any paid medical collection or any medical debt under $500 is legally barred from appearing on your reports. If it is still there, it is an error. Scan your report's account status and payment history line by line. Flag inaccurate balances, unknown accounts, or debts past 7 years. To remove errors, submit a dispute through the Bureau's portal for inaccurate information with documents. They have 30 days to delete mistakes. With your disputes processing, log directly into your primary checking account. Configure automatic minimum payments for every single credit account you still have open. Payment history dictates 35% of your FICO score. A single forgotten payment cancels out months of rebuilding progress, so ensure your automations are active today. If you still have unresolved collections on your report, contact the agency and demand a written pay-for-delete agreement. If they refuse and the amount is small, settle it to a $0 balance so it stops actively depressing your score. Purging legally invalid data from your file creates the sterile foundation required before any actual numerical growth can occur. Now that the foundation is clear, you must actively inject new, positive data into your credit file. The most efficient tool for this is opening a secured credit card or a credit builder loan. Depositing $200 to $500 into a locked vault establishes your credit limit. Your cash collateral guarantees approval. Link this newly unlocked card to one streaming subscription. Turn on autopay, put the card in a drawer, and let it run. You can layer in alternative tools like Experian Boost or RentTrack. These services force the bureaus to document on-time utility and rent payments you already make. This chart shows the 10% utilization rule. Carrying a balance above $50 on a $500 limit puts you in the red zone. Control this by paying your balance twice a month, mid-cycle and just before your statement closes, suppressing the reported final balance. Controlling these specific utilization data points signals to the scoring model that you are a low-risk borrower, causing your score to respond accordingly. At this point, the initial manual work is done. Your disputes are processing, your autopay is locked, and your secured tools are generating positive data every 30 days. This graph tracks your expected recovery. Clearing disputed errors in the first 3 months causes a rapid 20 to 80-point score increase. As the timeline zooms out, true growth happens. 12 to 24 months of strict adherence realistically pushes you into the 700+ territory. Everyone's starting point is different. Drop your specific hurdle in the comments below, whether you are fighting old collections, dealing with high utilization, or recovering from bankruptcy, and I will provide tailored strategic feedback. An excellent credit score is not a reflection of personal worth. It is the result of consistent, disciplined execution of these specific steps. Stay focused, and I will see you in the next video.